In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up the semantic layer for BigQuery in Findly. This powerful feature allows you to optimize your data and enable Findly to generate meaningful insights automatically. First, we will set up our BigQuery credentials. Then, select the tables to set up. Optimize the tables, and finally generate the semantic layer needed to talk to your data. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Workspace section and select the Data Source tab. Click on the BigQuery card to open the Setup wizard. In the first step, you will need to input your service account and project IDs. This information is crucial for Findly to securely access your BigQuery data. Remember, you can manage your properties by activating or deactivating them as needed. The second step involves selecting the dataset tables you want to set up. Choose the tables that contain the data you wish to analyze and explore using Findly. In the third step, you have the opportunity to optimize your selected tables. You can provide optional descriptions for each table, helping Findly better understand the context and purpose of your data. Additionally, you can rename the tables if desired. These optimizations will assist the model in the auto-generation process. Once you have completed the previous steps, Findly will automatically generate the semantic layer for your dataset and tables. This includes identifying metrics, measures, dimensions, and identifiers within your data. After the automatic generation, a list of metrics for the dataset is generated. You can create new metrics or edit existing ones. Navigate to the Table Views tab to manage each table individually. Each table consists of measures, dimensions, identifiers, which you can create or edit manually. Measures are calculations performed on specific columns in your data. They help you derive meaningful metrics, such as sums or averages, and can be used to create more complex analyses. Dimensions are used to group or filter data based on categories or timeframes. They act as labels that help organize and analyze your data more effectively. In SQL, dimensions are similar to the group by clause. Identifiers represent real-world concepts within your business, such as customers, transactions, or ad campaigns. They provide a clear structure to your data and enable more coherent analysis. The semantic layer is a powerful tool that enables Findly to understand the relationships and meanings within your data. It allows for more accurate and relevant insights to be generated automatically. With the semantic layer set up, you can now explore your BigQuery data with an intuitive interface. Ask questions, create visualizations, and uncover valuable insights effortlessly. Unlock the full potential of your data with our semantic layer for BigQuery. Sign up for free at Findly.ai and start your data exploration journey today.